All right, welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is the first time you guys are here, please go ahead and do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button that's right here. Not the one that's on the screen, but directly below this video. It greatly helps out the channel. Today, we're going to be covering the exact step-by-step process that you guys can use to generate a full-time income. What I'm showing you here is using this process already. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on my screen a little bit here. You can actually see I've made well over $14,000 with this method. That's just from December 20th until January 3rd. In the last year, I've made well over $250,000, and in total, I've made $334,000 using a simple method that only takes you 15 minutes per day to do. So let's go ahead and jump in here on this video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly step by step how to set this entire thing up, what you need to do, and we'll get you guys rock and rolling, get started here in 2023 and moving forward with setting up your online business. Now, what I do want to talk about before I jump into this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is an actual business. It's going to take time to build. Now, let me explain what I am talking about. When you first get started, I'm going to go back, quite a ways back when I started this business. Now, I want you guys to have realistic expectations, but we're going to jump into that in just a second because this literally takes you 15 minutes. Now, what you're seeing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and draw here on my screen real quick, is that you're seeing this $2,000 line. You're seeing these huge incomes. Now, when I first got started, it was more like this for several months. So my curve kind of did this, guys. It kind of dipped down, and this is something to expect, and it is slowly increasing in doing this. If you guys come back next year, it's gonna be much higher. Probably a lot of these will be more like this. Higher and higher every single time goes on. But don't expect it right out the gate. Don't expect to come in to get rich. If you look, you're going to see like things like this, a few $100 days, lots of $0 days, maybe a couple of refunds, because that happens in this industry. But very low, lots of 0 days, 20 days, 0 days, very little income there for the first several months. But don't let that deter you from starting this business, guys, because it's only going to take you 15 minutes per day and it costs you like $2 to run. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this whole process. Now, what I want you guys to do first is go directly below this video. It's going to call it step 1. Okay. Step 1, there will be a link in the video description below this video. I want you guys to click on link number 1. What that is going to actually do is bring up this website. Let me go ahead and pull that up for you guys so I can show you step by step how to get this set up. All right, so now that you've actually clicked the link number 1 directly below this video, it's going to bring to a page that looks exactly like this. Now, what you're seeing back here on the Samcart is a product that we're promoting that costs $25. It can be used to promote any type of business you want online. I actually use this $25 product myself to promote over 33 different companies online and make well into the 7-figure mark doing affiliate marketing online. So the potential is there, okay? What you're getting over here is an entire online digital business that literally for 25 bucks and you can start making money in as little as 24 hours from now. Now, you're welcome to watch this video. You're going to see the tons of people that are actually making money with this exact same business. You guys are welcome to watch this entire VSL. It's called a video sales letter. Or if you're just ready to jump on in, you guys can go ahead and click this big green button that says, yes, I want this all-in-one $25 business. It's going to jump you down past all the sales letter and sales page information. You can put in your contact information, your billing and stuff. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to check this little box that says, yes, I want this free access. And you're going to get this for $25. Click give me free access. And I've seen the income disclosure, etc. Right. So you're going to do that. And what that's going to do is going to get you signed up with this business. Now, once you've done that, you're going to get an email. Okay. Now, in this email, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. I want you to, when you first get started, especially if you're following along with this video series, just go ahead and ignore these just for right now. We're going to circle back to these towards the end of this video. I want you to concentrate right here on the affiliate zone, because if you don't come here first, you can't really follow the rest of these video trainings that I'm going to be putting out for you guys for the rest of this year. So what you want to do is go ahead and come to the affiliate zone. Now, there are 4 videos here on this page. Watch all 4 videos. Watch video number 1, watch video number 2, video number 3, and video number 4. And why I tell you to do this, and it'll take you maybe 30 minutes tops, is that you've got to sign up with their affiliate program right through here. This shows you how to do it. It shows you how to get to the Samcart area, because in this video, we're going to be using your affiliate links right down here. And you can't do this unless you have already signed up with their affiliate program, okay? The affiliate program is free. The $25 that you're paying covers your landing page and funnel page builder, as well as all the training. And for the first 2 weeks, by checking that box, you're going to get the premium access to all this additional training for the first 2 weeks. Then you can keep it after that if you like. Not a requirement, but it is there. So once you're here in the affiliate zone and you've watched these videos, you've got your affiliate page set up. Then what you can do now is just kind of slide this one on over, and Jen, just click on this where it says log into your Samcar. If you click that right there, it's going to bring you to that where it says the HBA dashboard. If you only promote one business with Samcar as an affiliate, you'll only have one. Okay, click the HBA and it will pop up and it will load and show you your screen, how much money you've made. Yours, of course, is going to say 0. And it's going to give you all of these links. Every single one of these links, if you use them across the web or send them to anyone, it's going to automatically allow you to sign up just by sending this link out. Okay, and we're going to use this to send out emails with a service that provides the emails for us. That's going to be link number 2 down in this video, which you'll be able to get to in just a minute. We'll be setting that up. But first, get to this point right here where you have your affiliate links, okay? Now, once you have done that, you're going to click link number 2 down below this video. I'm going to go ahead and pull that website up because there's only 2 websites that you're going to be joining today, and I'm going to show you guys step by step. So let me pull that website up, and we'll be right back. All right, so now that you have signed up with the first one and you have this page right open right here. So right now you should only have these 3 pages open, okay? You're going to have this page right here, your affiliate page, which will have your links, and then now you should have a page that looks just like this. Let me go ahead and close that page down. So those are the 3 pages that you'll have open. This is the service that provides 100 leads every day without a website, without paid traffic, offer $1 per day. You're just going to click this join, this big button right now, put in your email address and click join. Go through the process of setting that up, okay? It's very simple. Right after you have done that, it will automatically log you into a page that looks like this. So once you're here, you'll have this page open, your affiliate page, and your Samcar. There's only 3 pages you should have open now, okay? So go ahead and come over here to your My Lead Gen Secrets page. I'm going to go ahead and go to the mailing system. This is where you'll be able to log in every single day and email a list of people. And each day, your list grows and grows. You'll get 100 leads per day. After 30 days, you'll be emailing to 3,000. All right, now I actually have 10 of these accounts. You're welcome to get 1, 2, 3, as many accounts as you like. Just click the link down below and get yourself signed up. Go ahead and click the select all. And as you can see, I'm mailing this to 125,300 people today. All right. So what I'm going to do is I already pre-written an email for you guys, and I will provide you guys with emails every single day that you guys can just log in here onto my YouTube channel, watch the video, and copy the actual emails. Going forward, these videos won't be long. This is a long introduction video. This is video number 1 that you're watching that shows you how to set everything up. All the videos after this will only be about 5 minutes long. I won't be going to all these pages and showing you how to set it up. All I'll be doing is coming into the My Lead Gen Secrets, coming right here to the mailing system, and I will literally just write your email for you and then show you and pause it so you can copy the email onto your own account. So you'll send the emails out and then you are done for your day. So let's go ahead and send our email. So today's email is going to be this, okay? It says right here, the subject will say, did you ever get that money? Okay, we are doing curiosity-based emails. Our whole objective is to get people to open up their email and click on a link, and then we let the video sales letter of the HBA Academy do the selling for us. After that, what I'm going to do is I will scroll down here to the bottom. This is the subject. So this will show up on, like if you're in Gmail, it's like the main heading that you see before you actually go in and view the email. You're going to scroll to the bottom. This is where the body will go. Highlight everything in here and delete it, okay? All right, what I'm going to do is paste in the email, okay? And what I like to do is I'm going to make this a size 16. Always make this a size 16, all right? So there we go. So what you're going to have is the subject says, did you ever get that money? And then here's going to say right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click this preview button right here. So that way you'll be able to actually see this email as I scroll up here. And I'm going to zoom in here. So that way you can go ahead and copy this email. Here is the email headline, and this is the actual body. So copy this down onto a notepad or just pause this and manually go ahead and write it over there inside of your account, okay? All right, so I'm gonna click close. Now do not send anything. If you send anything, there's no link. See, there's nothing for anyone to click on, right? So what we need to do now, like I said before, you should have completed this page right here set up. Now what I want you to do is scroll down here and click this all-in-one $25 sales letter. You're going to click the copy button right there, okay? So go ahead and find that one, scroll over and click copy. Once you've done that, come back to the mailing system, highlight where it says watch this video to make sure you get paid. Highlight that, hit the little copy button and paste that in just like that right there and click OK. Now we have a clickable link. See? Now I'm going to highlight this, and what I like to do is bold it so it sticks out. Once you've done that, go ahead and click the perfect timing, okay? Then click send the email. And it's really that simple. That's all that you have to do. Now, once this gets sent, you can't send another email for 24 hours from now. Now, if you have multiple accounts like I do, you would just copy these emails over onto your other accounts. In the meantime, since this is your very first video, go ahead and get yourself acquainted with the actual HBA. After you watch these videos, watch the funnel builder tool, okay? Because this is the actual funnel builder tool that I use to make 7 figures per year promoting 33 different products. Make sure to watch the HBA premium members that you get for 2 full weeks because it shows you how to get additional free traffic and sales into your business, as well as check out the brand new immersion machine content that was just released that allows to help you write content for your Facebook pages and stuff like that without ever having to think. So you could actually tell this, write me a Facebook post about affiliate marketing, okay? So check this out. You can put this in there, click Go Immersion. This alone is worth the content. Check this out. Are you looking to make extra money on the side? Look no further than affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can use your existing networks and resources to promote products that you love and earn a commission on each sale without ever having to store, ship, or service the products. Jump into the world of affiliate marketing today and start making money. You could post that on your Facebook page and then say, hey, if you guys want a way to start generating full-time income, come check out my business that only costs you $25 per month to run. Then what you do is you jump right over here, you grab yourself the link, you copy it, and you add that right below this in your Facebook post, right? And it'll create unlimited amounts. You can just click Go Immersion again, and it will write you a brand new one, right? And it'll keep doing this over and over as many times as you want. You can do this 1 to 3 times a week, right? Are you looking for a way to supplement your income? Check out affiliate marketing. It's a great way to earn money. Tomorrow, you can come in, do another post on your Facebook page, looking for make some extra money on the side. It's all right there. And you can change this up. You can write post about making money online, right? Click Go Immersion. You can just change this up. Now, this is just something that's cool part of the premium that'll help you generate sales, right? Are you interested in making money online? And now is the perfect time to start. From managing your own online store to freelancing, there's lots of options to making money from the comfort of your home. Check out the tips to get started and start earning today. Go check out the My $25 business that you have, which is right here, the all-in-one $25 business. So just go check those things out. Those are available for you guys to be checking out. Go ahead and come back to this channel tomorrow. I have a brand new 5-minute video. That's it. You watch the 5 minutes, you get the email, you send it, and then you be on your way. And then other than that, you just come in here and watch the available training to help you generate even more leads and more sales into your online business. But thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.